Doge is going absolutely parabolic, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. If you're interested in keeping up with my charts as well as my trades, my Telegram channel is absolutely free. Check out the link in the bio. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in 35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Ladies and gentlemen, what an absolutely crazy past 2 days it's been for Doge and a lot of the other altcoins we've taken in Telegram. A ton of you guys are up an insane amount of money, and I want to quickly point out the fact that I mentioned in yesterday's video that if Doge does end up breaking above these wicks here at 0.218, our main take profit level, of course, on the daily structure remains to be at the 0.228 wick high. You can see that we did see a very nice move into 0.226. We are inching very close to that main take profit zone, and this is pretty much where volatility is going to come into play. But now the question remains is what's next for Doge. Now, before we jump ahead into the daily time frame, I want to quickly point out a few things for the 4-hour interval. Looking at the current move set, you can see that we are still trading above our exponential moving averages, but something interesting has happened to Doge. The 0.218 level has now flipped to support. You can see that we have a beautiful candle retesting that level as support, and now that continuation towards the upside, which of course is letting us know that Doge is ready for a larger rally. Now, before we jump ahead into the FOMO and everything, we have to pay attention to the daily interval because there's a few things to keep in mind. Number one, this area is going to be a resistance. There's going to be chop within this level at 0.228, a break structure above that, but then things get very interesting. You can see it from previous peaks, of course, that we've already had two test opportunities at 0.25, as well as the fact that I mentioned to you guys in yesterday's video that we have a massive W formation looking to play out. That is two major areas for the daily profit in terms of the daily time frame for us to be looking for the long confirmations, because now this becomes a massive swing position, because what we want to see on Doge is a stronger continuation. And what I mean by that is this is a momentum trade. A momentum trade simply means the fact that we are looking for momentum as it breaks into major resistance zones, because you can see that we are still completely undervalued if we look at Doge from a larger time frame perspective. We simply are now breaking out from this long consolidation zone, and this is where things get very interesting for a lot of us, is the massive profits. We've seen Doge use the same sort of exponential moving averages before. Then, of course, you guys remember we had this massive breakout and Doge went absolutely parabolic into the 42 cents within 2 days. And this is exactly why I'm telling you guys to pay attention to the W formation. Yes, we do have a strong momentum right now, but we need to overcome the 0.25 from a swing perspective in order for us to start seeing those massive candles come once again. I will, of course, keep you guys posted in Telegram for the next few trades, but for those of you that are on YouTube, please pay attention to the wick breaks at 0.228. That is going to be the first level we have to overcome. Once we overcome that level, 0.25, and then of course we can start paying attention to around the 34-cent mark for Doge, which of course is the top of the move set. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in 35,000 trade bonus, make sure to like the button. Hope you got that one.